I'm Batu, and today we're going to be talking about CUSCEN ERP, fixed asset management. Fixed assets are the backbone of your organization, but managing them manually can be a paper nightmare. Lost records, misplaced equipment, and incurred depreciation. These are just a few headaches you face every day. I'm here to introduce you to CUSCEN ERP's fixed asset management solution. It's the key to taking control and unlocking the full potential of your assets. CUSCEN ERP streamlines your fixed asset management with unmatched accuracy. Say goodbye to data entry errors and misplaced spreadsheets. Our system automates data entry, ensuring accurate records of each asset's location, condition, and depreciation status. Effortless efficiency. Stop wasting time on tedious tasks. CUSCEN ERP streamlines processes like asset acquisition, depreciation calculations, transfers, physical counts, and disposals. Compliance made easy. Don't let complex regulations slow you down. CUSCEN ERP helps ensure compliance with industry standard by providing standardized procedures and generating audit-ready reports. Focus on growth, not paperwork. Empowering cost savings. CUSCEN ERP is an investment that pays off. By optimizing asset utilization and accurately tracking depreciation, you can make informed decisions that lead to cost reductions. Complete asset visibility. Gain real-time control of your assets. No matter where they are, CUSCEN ERP provides a clear view of location, status, project assignment, and custodian all in one place. CUSCEN ERP's fixed asset management goes behind just software. It's your partner in maximizing asset value, ensuring compliance, and achieving true operational efficiency. Get CUSCEN ERP today and unlock the full potential of your fixed assets. Thank you.